Success is never achieved alone. It is built through faith, guidance, sacrifice, and the support of the people who believe in us. To our respected school principal, Sister Marcelina Escalora, our academic coordinator, Dr. Marlon Hala, the faculty and staff, our honored visitors, proud parents, my fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to everyone. As we gather today to celebrate this important milestone, our recognition day, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has helped, guided, motivated, and inspired us throughout this journey. First and foremost, to our dearest Lord, thank you for guiding us and blessing us with strength, wisdom, and perseverance. Because of your grace, we are able to celebrate this special moment today. To the dedicated teachers and staff of St. Clare's School of Hagna, especially our advisor, Sir Jessica S. Maclaren. Thank you all for your patience, commitment, and passion for teaching. You have not only shared knowledge with us, but also inspired us to strive for excellence. This school has truly become our second home, and for that, we are deeply grateful. To our beloved families, thank you for your unconditional love, support, and sacrifices. You have always been our greatest source of strength and inspiration. Today, this recognition is not only ours, it is also yours. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much. To my classmates and friends, thank you for the friendship, laughter, and memories we have shared. You made this journey more meaningful as we celebrated our successes together and supported one another through every challenge. Today, we celebrate our achievements, but tomorrow, we continue the journey to become the best version of ourselves. As we move forward, may we carry with us the lessons we have learned and continue to admire in all that we do. Once again, thank you to everyone who has been